So Christmas is just around the corner and I'm going to teach you on All Cooked Up how to make a very simple, delicious Christmas chocolate pudding. Now, I do not like chocolate puddings or Christmas puddings with a lot of nuts and cherries and stuff like that. So mine is a very simple but absolutely delicious chocolate pudding with a white chocolate ganache. So get all your stuff together, call your friends over and enjoy this beautiful recipe. So we're going to start with brushing our tins for the pudding, and I'm just going to rub some softened butter nicely all over it. This helps the pudding to come out more easily. So having done that, now let's start making the batter. Again, I'm going to use one bowl for the entire mixture. We'll start with our dry ingredients, the flour, the sugar, the cocoa powder, and I'm going to give it a good mix. Now this is self-raising flour that we've used, so we don't need to use any additional raising agent. To this we'll be adding the softened butter. So just add single cream, eggs, it's necessary to beat them. I'm going to beat the eggs. This mixture I'm adding to my batter. And now to make life easier, we have the handheld beater. So let's just scrape off your sides so that all the batter is being mixed, and add vanilla to your batter. And now add water to this. Turn your oven on to 180, and when it's hot we'll be putting the puddings in. Ensure that you fill your molds only up to about 3/4 because these puddings are going to rise up. And this is going to go into the oven for about 15 minutes. So whilst your puddings are being baked, let's start making the topping and the ganache. The topping we're going to use dark chocolate, butter and icing sugar. It's more of a buttercream topping. So first we'll start with melting our dark chocolate. I'm going to put this in the oven, microwave for about 10 seconds and then stir it again and another 10 seconds. That should do the trick. So we've taken some melted chocolate and we're going to make a buttercream filling. For that we will take some butter, mixing my dark chocolate and the icing sugar. And we're using an electric mixer. We're going to cream this butter. You have your buttercream ready, and now let's make your white chocolate ganache. Now to make the white chocolate ganache, we're going to take some single cream and we're going to heat it till the sides of the cream start showing bubbles. Don't forget to keep whisking it, otherwise the cream can burn. That's it. And to this you're going to add the white chocolate. It's the residual heat of the cream that will beautifully melt the white chocolate and give you a lovely rich white chocolate ganache. So these beautiful babies are out of the oven, perfectly cooked. Let's try and get them out. That was what the buttering was for, so that it will beautifully come out without any effort. Now we'll start assembling the pudding with the chocolate ganache, the dark chocolate ganache and the white chocolate ganache. Just when you're about to serve, drizzle the white chocolate ganache, and just to give it a little Christmas feeling, I'm going to dust it with little icing sugar. Now don't tell me this wouldn't impress any of your Christmas guests that you have. So easy, so simple to make, and this you'll only find with me, Harsh, on All Cooked Up. So keep coming back for such simple, easy recipes. Keep watching my show All Cooked Up. Don't forget to press the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and do leave me behind your comments on how you love my show. I would love to hear from you. Merry Christmas and a very happy New Year. Signing off, Harsh.